Your chain link fence might keep things out, but it's not doing much for your peace, privacy, or curb appeal. Today, in Fence Upgrades, we're turning that see-through chain link into a fence that works, with more privacy, less noise, and better security. Let's get into it. Start with vinyl privacy slats. These snap right into your existing fence and come in tons of colors. In just an afternoon, you go from exposed to enclosed. Want a softer, more natural look? Try artificial ivy screens or reed panels. Just zip tie them on for instant privacy with a touch of greenery. Or go full natural with climbing plants like jasmine or bougainvillea. They give you privacy and beauty. Chainlink isn't just see-through. It lets all the noise in too. Reduce that with sound-dampening mesh or mass-loaded vinyl, secured with zip ties or fence clips. Planting thick hedges or bamboo along the fence adds another layer of sound absorption, and looks great while doing it. Upgrade your chain link's strength by adding tension wire along the bottom. This stops sagging and makes it harder to lift. Need more protection? Add anti-climb toppers, from decorative spears to full-on barbed wire depending on your needs. And don't forget your gate. A reinforced latch or smart lock adds security where it counts most. Paint or powder coat your fence for a cleaner, modern look. Black or dark green blends in better and hides wear. Top it all off with solar lights or weatherproof decor to bring personality to a usually boring fence. To recap, privacy slats or ivy for coverage, mesh and plants for sound control, tension wire and toppers for security, and a little paint for instant polish. Want a better fence without replacing it? Visit CAANFenceInc.com or call us at 781-767-3596 to get started today.